So, what is procrastination? Well, procrastination is the habit of delaying things, no? Delaying on doing things. So, procrastination is a bad habit. It delays progress. It prevents development. It actually stops growth. So, how do we fight procrastination? Well, I guess we need to first understand what causes it. It would also be nice to know the nature of human beings. Well, humans by nature are pleasure seekers. What does this mean? Well, people strive to find pleasure or to find comfort, and once they get it, they stop kasi they don't want to leave their comfort zones. We have to understand and accept that people are pleasure seekers. Second, it's easier for anybody to stay on status quo. People always get the notion of the abundance of time. Ito yung alam mong marami ka pa naman oras, so might as well chill ka muna before igalaw. And also there is a factor of considering the possible outcomes. Might it be certain or uncertain? People tend to stay where they are because they know or they don't know what will happen after they move. So how do we win over procrastination? And I've read a couple of books or had conversations with a number of successful people and came up with these 3 simple solutions of winning over procrastination. Number 1, there is a concept of the 5 and 3 second rule. So ano to? Well, the 5-second rule states that if you want to do something, you have to do it within 5 seconds, or else your tamad version of yourself will win you over again and wala ka namang gagawin. While the 3-second rule states that if you want to do something, do it within 3 seconds. Kasi on the 3rd second, an opportunity will fly away. There is another concept. I call it the reset button. So what's the reset button? Pwede mo kasing isipin na, what time is it? It's 7:30 in the morning. Pwede mo kasing isipin na yung 7:30 ngayon is actually a reset of the previous 7:30, and this is your last chance to do it. Kasi yung huling 7:30 hindi mo siya ginawa, and probably you suffered the consequences of not doing anything. Well, think of it na yung 7:30 ngayon is the reset version of the 7:30. So this is your opportunity, your last opportunity to do that thing. Alright? And the last would be is the concept of the 5-minute rule. So what is the 5-minute rule? The 5-minute rule is actually is a mindset that it prepares you. Ganda naman dito. Ganda dito. Anyway, the 5-minute rule is a concept that tells you if something can be done within 5 minutes, do it. And then go back to your comfort zone. That's the only way. Morning. Morning. Morning.